Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Netflix. The report was first published on our website April 19, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Netflix for the upcoming trading day on Wednesday 20th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Netflix performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Netflix stock currently holds a -1.956 score, and our system has ranked Netflix sell candidate since April 13, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -0.57%. This is an average return of -0.14% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Netflix, our last headline reads, Green Day on Tuesday for Netflix stock after gaining 3.12%. The Netflix stock price gained 3.12% on the last trading day, Tuesday, April 19, 2022, rising from $337.87 to $348.42. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.54% from a day low at $333.22 to a day high of $351.68. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -11% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 9 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.18 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $700.99, and the lowest price was $329.82. Right now the price is 50.3%, or $352.57, below 52-week high at $700.99, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Netflix stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -13.40% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -24.79% and 0.44%. The 12-month trend indicates a -15.99% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -22.82% and 54.92%. This equals a price between $268.91 and $539.78 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Netflix stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Netflix stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Netflix. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 5.26%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Netflix stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $363.93. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $346.52. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 26 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 7 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 79 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 84 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Netflix. Netflix finds support from accumulated volume at $343.75, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $18.46 between high and low, or 5.54%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.11%. The stock has a beta of 0.99. This tells us that Netflix is minus 0.01 times less volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Netflix. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Netflix currently has a price-earning ratio of 30.28. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Netflix meets first resistance at $386.70. If you do not hold Netflix shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Netflix finds first level of support at $343.75, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $337.39, $333.03, $325.98. Sell at $351.49, $355.85, $362.90. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Netflix is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 1, 2022, Hogue J.C. made an inside buy of 168 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Whetstone Rachel made an inside buy of 558 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Dopfner Matthias made an inside buy of 168 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Smith Bradford L. made an inside buy of 168 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Izama Mibi Sergio made an inside buy of 837 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 28.479. In total, the insiders bought 1,422,377 and sold 788,508 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Netflix stock a buy? Netflix holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 20th, we expect Netflix to open down negative $3.98 and start trading at $344.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.